Oh, it's FragWatch on the earth with the Teevolution Terra. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Teevolution Terra wireless ergonomic mouse Pro or Terra Pro. Okay. We also have the rapid sync dongle for it with an LCD display. Pretty neat. I kind of like that. You can change the shit for the mouse on the dongle. And then some packet of stuff. I don't know. We're going to find out. All right, let's start with the mouse, yeah? Okay, let's start with the mouse. A little shake. Gotta shake your jiggles out. Shake your... This is going to be some ASMR. All right. A nice little pad, nice box. Oh, they're going for the mass marketing, so they got end game goals here. All right. Out of its little sleeve. Nice coating. That's a weird shape. Damn, those are... Holy shit. Look at those side buttons. Oh, my God. I like that. Damn, my thumb. This might be... Okay. All right. We're excited. We're excited here at FragWatch. A little fun time. I'm live streaming while I'm opening this. Having a good time. Shout out to my viewers. Woozy, Ansel, Chief Pew Pew. Got RG coming in. If I missed you, say it out loud. I had a couple people that didn't like my freestyling. Anyways, back to the unboxing. We got a little dongle. I hope that's not the dongle. I hope it has a connector. Oh, Lord. Oh, you know what? Silly. All right, this thing's like stuck in here. Let's see. All right. We got cord. Let me talk about the cord here. It's thick, kind of stiff. Connector is not bent like I like. Okay, comes with a little mini dongle, probably 1,000 hertz max polling on that. I'm not sure on that, so don't quote me on that. Comes with a playing card. Kind of neat. Tech specs on it. That actually is pretty cool. I like that. Quick start guide in case you don't know how to use a mouse. Stickers. Skates. Ring skate. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Ring skate. Ooh-wee! Oh, man, they're coming in raw. Nice. We got some really small dot skates. Holy shit, those are eensy weensy. Are those even going to cover? Oh, whoa. Look at these skates. Whoa, look at these skates. Oh, man, I don't know if you guys can see that. They're bumps. They're like textured. Oh, man, let me see if I can get that in the camera. You can kind of see it. They're like textured. It's like a bunch of little bumps. It's like little goose pimples. Oh, man, that's fucking cool. Oh, dude. Oh, man, do these other skates have that? Oh, they should sell those. That's a crazy idea. Look how giddy I'm like shaking in my fucking chair. That's awesome. Okay, we got grips, side grips, mouse button grips. Look how big those are. It's wild. Okay. Is that it? All right, that's it for the little surprise package. All right, let's get all of you back in there. The boxing and reboxing of the Teevolution Terra. La 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 la. That back in there. This, I should have put this in here first. Okay. So when you're reboxing it, make sure you put the cord in with the rubber thing down first. And this little mini dongle that I'll never use, but maybe somebody in the future will use. My charity idea just got some of the paperwork done. Okay. You guys are watching me struggle with this. This is embarrassing. Holy shit. Okay, there we go. Yes, I succeeded. We're winners. We're winners here on the FragWatch channel. We're all winners. Maybe to a lesser extent me with that, but Does this come in black too? They offer 2 colors on this. I don't know. I think I already cut this open. We got this nice box. I think this was a Kickstarter I did. I can't remember. It was like 3 Kickstarters I'm in right now. Where that one mouse went? It was like the beginning of October. There's the pre-order, like all the shapes that you could do. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, this is really neat, actually. Nice. Okay. Damn. I'm excited for this. Is this for this? This is for this. Okay. Let's go back in here. Oh, I bet I'm going to have to pair this. Okay. We'll do that in the review. Yeah. So this is cool as shit. I think that's going to be awesome. Yeah, we're probably going to have to pair that. Let's look it up just for giggles, yeah. See if I do have to pair it. It's booting up. Let's see if it pairs. Oh, it's got the time on it? What? That's cool. Oh, this says Bluetooth or 2.4. Yeah, I'm going to have to pair this. That's really neat. Look at this. I think that's cool. I think that's really cool. Okay, on to this. Oh, this doesn't have personal information in it. It looks like one of those things that might. Or have, like, a serial number. I don't want to expose. Claiming my warranties. Weirdos. All right, here we go. All right, what do we got? These are grips, probably. 10%. Okay, coupon. Nobody's getting that. Probably just revealed it, but that's okay. If you want 10% off. There's no way I'm number 1 of 100. What? That can't be right. I know I was one of the first, like, 10. That can't be individually numbered. That says 100. But this one... Oh, that says 100. I'm dumb. Look at that. It's just the number. Okay. I thought they were individually serialized because I read it like this. 001. But also could just be 100. I don't know. Pretty cool. Those are nice grips. Dang. Cool. Okay. Okay. So far, I'm impressed, Teevolution. 49 grams. Very, very unique feeling mouse. Ergo mouse. Very unique shape, I think. And it looks like it's going to be a winning shape. That's cool. All right. This has been the unboxing of the Teevolution Terra Pro wireless ergonomic gaming mouse. It's a Kickstarter. I hope they are successful. This is a cool unboxing. So did the dongle and this special edition pack. Let's sing our way out of this. Oh, it's FragWatch. And I hope that my reverb wasn't audible or review long. Thanks for watching.